Here's an update on my bamboo wall, my floating bamboo wall that I'm using as a test for various treatments of the bamboo. I put it up about a year ago from culms that I'd cut last year, and I treated each set in a slightly different manner. So just to recap, these ones down here have been cut and soaked in a solution of borax and boric acid for about 7 days. This next section here, these ones were cut and then they were soaked in the canal at the top of the section up here for about a month and then treated with the borax and boric acid as well. So they had the water treatment and the borax and boric acid treatment. And then this section here were soaked in the canal, in the running water in the canal for about 2 months. And no borax or boric acid solution treatment. And then this piece over here, this is the control piece. So this piece here has had no treatment whatsoever. There's a powderpost beetle that lays its eggs inside bamboo after it's been cut. Once the beetles hatch, they will then start boring through from the inside to the outside. Bamboo's a grass, so it has starches and sugars lining the interior walls of it, and this is what the beetles really like. Termites, not such a problem here. Well, we do have termites in the section, so we do other things to try and keep those at bay, but they don't seem to come for the bamboo quite so much. If the bamboo's sitting on the ground and the ground's a bit damp, then sure, sometimes the termites might come and get it, but it's the powderpost boring beetle that really gives this bamboo a bit of a going over when it takes hold. But I've got a bit of a problem for this video. I wanted to show you what it's doing and which one's better. But as you can see, none of them have been eaten at all. There's no sign of powderpost beetle at all. There's some ants on some of them, and then usually down underneath there'd be a powder that would be visible if there was any powderpost beetles in here, but there's not. So we will keep trying. I will leave this wall intact. It still looks quite nice and is providing a nice bit of a screen here at the back of my shed. I will update again probably in about another year, or if I do see some serious beetle damage, then I will update again. If you're interested, check out the other videos about making this section of wall and how I did it and why I did it. I'll leave a link to that video here. And thanks very much for watching.